All right, sit back straight, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Back straight, everybody, quickly. Back straight. Quickly, sit down properly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Do breathe in properly. Thoughts. Close your eyes, everybody. Fast. Breathe in normal and breathe out. Normal, right? Very normal, yes. Breathe in from your nose and out from your mouth. Close your eyes. I do not want anybody to open your eyes. Sit down. Yes, breathe in normal. Abhilesh, breathe in normal. Yes, take in from your nose and out from your mouth. Very good. Normal. Samriddhi, quickly. Priya, close your eyes. Do I need to repeat? Close your eyes. Calm down. Now take a deep breath in. Take air as much as you can. Quickly, take as much as air as you can. All right. And take out from your mouth. Yes, take it as much as you can. Very good. Very good. Samriddhi, you're not doing it. Sit back properly, back straight. Now, just hold your breath. Do not take in or out. Just try to hold your breath for some time. Just hold your breath. Hiren, close your eyes. Just hold your breath. Don't do anything. Just hold it. See how long you can hold it. Try to hold it for some time. Hold it. Do not take breathe in or not out. Yes, hold it as much as you can. Hold it. Very good. Try to get it longer. Try to get it longer as much as you can hold. Good job. Very good. Very good. Hold it as much as you can. If you can't hold it, then take it, then release and then do it again one more time. Do it 2 times. Keep your eyes closed. All right. Very good. Keep your eyes closed. All right. Now take out the air as much as you can. Take out. Your eyes closed. Your eyes closed. Next. Keep your eyes closed. Okay. Now slowly open your eyes and go and get the glass of water. Everybody, drink full glass of water. Drink glass of water quickly. Okay, you're all able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. Keep your lines muted, and then when I ask you, then you can speak up. Keep your lines muted, everybody, quickly. Mute, mute, mute. Mute your lines. Okay, very good. Now let us start. Okay. And see if I cover something and you don't understand. All right, not a problem. Okay. And we will do it few times. So don't worry if you don't understand something. All right. Is that okay? Okay, very good. Now, you guys like pizza? Who like pizza? Just show me thumbs up. Don't unmute. Just show me thumbs up. All right. Everybody likes pizza or no? All right. Some like, some don't like. All right. Very good. Very good. Everybody sit. All right. Okay. Let me draw a pizza here. Okay. This is a large pizza. Okay. Is it okay? All right. Okay. Now in this pizza, who are all the friends today? Okay. You have all right, Siddharth and Pritesh. All right, they go to the pizza shop. Okay. Who all have gone to the pizza shop today? Yes, both of them have gone to the pizza shop. All right, and they ordered this pizza, the big one. All right, and what the waiter did, he cut it like that, like this. Okay, can you see the color? He cut it like this. Different. Okay. So is it good? Who will eat which one? This side, who will eat? Is it this side and this side? Who will eat this side, left side, and who will eat right side? Is
Sir,
it,
they are not equal.
they both are not equal. You are right. Okay. So, so, so what should the waiter do? All right. Let us see. I'll try to do this, and you tell me whether the waiter is doing right things or not. Okay. Now suppose waiter, we take another color. Now suppose waiter takes it like this.
Sir,
Then
this is equal. Now it's equal.
yes, thumbs up.
It's equal. Sir, it's equal.
Uh,
It's equal. Sir, it's equal.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Now, before he cut it, right? Before he cut it, right? How many parts you see it right now in pizza? Do you see how many parts?
Two.
Right now there are two
One
parts.
whole. One whole. One whole.
Yes, please mute your lines. Mute your lines so that you know everybody can understand.
One whole.
One whole. Very good. Very good. All right. So one whole. This is called as one full whole. This unit of the whole pizza is one unit. Is that correct? Everybody okay with this? Perfect, right? Now, suppose he cuts it like this. Okay, exactly in the center. All right, let me take a smaller line so that you. Okay, is it correct? 50%? Half? Is this correct now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is 1/2 now.
All right. So now how many parts you see? How many parts you see?
Two.
Two parts.
Two.
So remember,
Two. You call it 1/2. So
very
you
good.
call it 1/2.
Very
So
good.
this is a 1/2.
All right, very good.
1/2. 1/2.
All right, you can check message, and now I want you to message me. All right, and I want you to be on mute, and I will unmute you only when it's required. All right. Now, when you talk about the fractions, you remember only two things. Okay. One is called as part. Okay. What is the spelling of part? Is this spelling is correct? Okay. You can message me if spelling is wrong or if I'm doing something wrong. Okay. So fractions, I'm not able to write it fully here because of the space. So fraction is equal to parts on whole. Is that correct? Does it make sense? Show me thumbs up if it is okay. Everybody show me thumbs up if you have got it. Perfect. Everybody got it? All right, perfect. Now look at this. Look at this. Now, suppose Kitat takes this side and Pritesh takes this side. Are they both happy? Correct? All right. Show me thumbs up if they both are happy. All right. Can I write it like that? One part Kitat is taken out of two. Is that correct? And another part Pritesh is taken out of two. Does it make sense? Is it correct? Can I write it like that? One is taken by Pritesh and one is taken by Kitat. Right? Everybody okay with this so far? Right? This is the right, the chef is cutting it properly. Everybody okay? Show me thumbs up. Very good. Now look at this. Look at this. Now suppose I want to know what is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Is it possible to do 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? Anna, tell me what should I do? If I add two half, what happens? If I add one half pizza and one half pizza together, what will happen?
If you have the 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, you have to plus with it. It will be whole.
It will be whole. Perfect. Good job. Let me try to do it here on the screen. Mute your lines. All right. Suppose I have. Are you able to see it clear screen? Anybody has a problem? Okay, let me make it a little bigger. I'll make it a little bigger. Don't worry. Wait a minute. Okay. I made it bigger now. Now suppose I have 1 by 2. Correct? Sorry. This 1 by 2 plus plus 1 by. Alright. Now, suppose I want to add both of these numbers. Alright. Both of these are the like fractions. Right? Like fractions are the one which have denominator same. Right? What is denominator in this number? What is denominator? Ishti, tell me what is denominator in the first number?
It is 1.
Denominator.
Denominator is 2.
Denominator is 2. Perfect. So this is denominator. And what is up there? What is this called? This number up?
Numerator.
Numerator. Perfect. All right. So when the denominator of any numbers are same, do you see the denominator same for both this? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? Do you see the number 2 is matching? Everybody okay with this? 2 is matching? Okay. All right. So Vrinda, tell me, is it 2 and 2 matching here? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
All right. So if I have to add the number which have a common denominator, which is 2 here, can I simply add it and make it like that? 1, 2. Is that
No.
sorry? Can I take 1 which is common denominator? So can I take 2? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, Pragati, tell me what should I do here? I want to add this and this. What should I do here?
You can add the only numerators. We don't have to add denominators when they are same.
Perfect. So can I write, is it correct to write 1 plus 1 here?
Yes.
All right, perfect, perfect. All right. Shreya, you are okay with this? 1 plus 1. All right, very good. Then
Yes.
you are okay, 1 plus 1. Okay, show me thumbs up if you are okay. Okay, 1 plus 1, right? So what this makes it? When I add both the number, it makes it 2 by 2. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? Show me thumbs up if you're okay with this. 2 by 2. All right. Now can I cancel out 2 here and 2 here? And this makes it 1 equal to 1. Is that correct? Can I cancel both 2 because both are equal? Can I cancel and make it 1? Is that okay? Everybody okay with this? So when I add 2 half pizza, it makes it what? It makes it what? It makes it 1 whole pizza. Tavia, you're okay with this? You're okay? Show me thumbs up.
Yes.
Now suppose, all right. Now Hiren also came and Anay also came to the pizza shop at the same time. What happens? 2 were there, and now these 2 also came in at the same shop. Okay. Now what will happen? Will they eat or they will not eat? What will happen? What should we do? Who wants to tell me what should we do now? These 2 people have come more in the pizza shop. Yeah, tell me, Shreya, what should we do?
Sir, if you can do it, cut one more slice in the between.
One more.
Make one, make make cut it from the between also. Yes, like that. And now they 4 can share, and this is a 1 by 4.
All right, very good. So now tell me how many pieces you see it now. How many pieces?
4 pieces.
All
Out
right,
of from one pizza we made 4 pieces. That's why we will say it as a 1 by 4.
perfect. Right now, suppose Kirtad take this one, right?
Okay.
And Pritesh take this one,
Yes.
and Hiren take this one, and Anay take this one. Is this clear right now?
Yes, sir. They all are getting the equal slice.
Perfect. Now when I have to say Pritesh ate how much? So what will I say? Pritesh ate how much pieces? What is the part? Yeah, Riyansh, tell me what how much Pritesh ate.
1 by 4.
One out of you have to say 1 out of 4 parts. How many?
One out of 4 parts.
Yes, perfect. So 1 out of 4. All right. Now tell me, mute your lines. Okay, Sanvi, tell me how much Hiren ate. Hiren,
He ate 1 by 4.
he also ate 1 by 4. Perfect. And Advita, tell me how much Kitarth ate. Unmute yourself.
1 by 4.
Perfect. 1 by 4. And how much Anay, Dwanil? How much Anay ate?
1
This
by 4.
1 by 4. Perfect. Perfect. So everybody ate how much? 1 out of, you have to not say 1 by 4. You have to say 1 piece out of 4 piece. Nehra, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I was saying that for 1 by 4, we can also say a quarter.
A quarter. Very good. All right. Now, so everybody ate how many pieces out of the 4? Total is how many pieces? 4 pieces. Correct? Is that correct? How many everybody ate? 1 piece out of 4. Is that correct? Show me thumbs up if you're okay with this. All right. Okay. Now, if I bring in 4 pieces and make one pizza, all right, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, all 4 of them bring it back, how much it will make? What it will make? Pratik, tell me.
Sir, it would be one whole.
Yeah, so if I add 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, you can, are you able to understand what I'm writing?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Suppose somebody gives you 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 times, right? How will you add that number? How will you add that number? So are the denominator same in this, all 4 numbers? Is the denominator look same?
Yeah.
So I will take only one denominator because all are same. I will write it like that. Is that correct? Can I do it like that?
Yeah.
All right. What should I do at the top numerator? What should I do at the top numerator?
We will add all the numerators.
I will add all the numerator. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. All right. So that makes it 4 by 4. Is that correct?
Yeah.
4 by 4. And when I divide both of them, it makes it 1 whole. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. But what happens? What happens? Now there were only 4. All right. And the 4 more came into the pizza shop. Okay. All right. 4 of you also gone in. All right. 4 of you. Additional 4 of you are also gone in. Now what will happen to the pizza? What will happen now?
We will make one more line in slanting and one more line in slanting. So it will be equal.
All right. So like this.
Yeah.
Is it equal now? Is it equal now?
We have to make one more line.
All right. Right now, how many pieces that you see? Right now, total how many pieces you see?
5.
Prithvi, tell me. How many pieces you see right now?
6.
1 by 6.
1 by 6. Yeah. So each one will take 1 by 6. But is it fair? Will they all get the fair share, equal share in 1 by 6?
No.
Yeah, perfect. No. Now suppose if I cut it like this. All right. Now will everybody get the equal share?
Yes.
Right. So now what you will write? Suppose for Hiren, what you will write? He ate 1 out of how many pieces?
1 by 8.
1 by 8. Perfect. Now everybody adds, bring it 1 by 8 pieces together. It will make what? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 like that.
It will be a whole part.
It will make whole again. Perfect. All right. Good job. So everybody okay with this so far? Show me thumbs up if you're all okay. Perfect. All right. Now listen to this. All right. I will. Okay. Now suppose you have 8 friends at the pizza shop right now eating one pizza. All right. Everybody is eating one piece out of 8 pieces. All right. But what happened? 8 more comes in. 8 of you more goes into the same pizza shop. Now what will happen? Will they get something or no? Will they get something or no? Adya, tell me what will happen now?
They will not get.
They will not get. So what should we do? What should we do? What the waiter should do? You don't have so much money to buy more pizza. What you will do now? What you will do? What should you ask waiter to do? Or what? Your signal is. Anybody else? Rishabh, you want to tell me what should we do? Unmute.
Sir, we will divide it into 16 equal parts.
16 equal part because there are 16 friends, right? So they will eat one out of, each one will eat one out of
6.
per
16 parts.
Very good. Now, Arishi, tell me what happens if there are 16 more friends comes in. Total 32 friends goes into the pizza shop. Now, what will happen to one pizza? What should we do?
Divide into 32 pieces. We divide into 32 pieces.
What should we
We
do?
divide into 32 pieces.
We divide into 32 pieces.
Yeah, so we have to keep dividing this till, and you have to keep dividing to the equal parts, right? That everybody get the fair share. So he will keep cutting it like this. Okay. And let me change the color so that you can understand. And then he will keep dividing till you make 16 pieces like this. All right. And when you add everything together, it will make it again the one whole. All right. Am I doing it correct? Okay, so likewise, he will keep dividing and makes 32 pieces out of one piece. All right, everybody okay with this so far? So you will say one piece out of 32. Is that okay? One piece out of 32. Everybody, whole class will get one piece out of 32 pieces from the pizza. And when everybody put it back, it will make the whole pizza. Everybody okay with this? Everybody okay? Show me thumbs up. Then I'll go to the next topic. All right, very good. Now, suppose. Let me clear the whole thing. All right. Now, suppose if there are, you got the addition of, let us do the addition of this number. Now, suppose somebody tells you, add this number. Let us add this number. Are you able to read this? Okay, let me make it little bigger so that you are able to read it properly, dark color. And now suppose you have to add, let's say, 1 upon 2, okay, plus 1 upon 2, right? So in this case, Anand, what should I do? How do you add this number? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? Unmute.
Because denominators are same, you should just write the denominator there, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2 by 2.
Equal to?
2 by 2.
Cut 2 by 2 and make it 1, right? So that makes it perfect. Now suppose I give you the number, let's say 1, mute your lines, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. All right. Who will tell me this? Raise your hands. Will tell me. Rayu, you want to tell me what should I do? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Are the denominator same here? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
What should I do here? What should I write? Denominator is same.
4, right?
4.
All right, 4. Now at the top, what should I do?
You will add numerators.
Perfect. Plus 1. Is that correct? Does it make it 2 by 4?
Yes.
Now what should I do? How do I simplify it, reduce it further? Can I reduce it further? Divide both number by 2?
No.
2 times 1 and 2 times 2. Can I write it like that also? 1 by 2?
Yes.
Right? Because I'm just reducing that number. I'm not changing it. I am dividing number 2 and go 4 by 2 to make it less or simplify it for reading purpose, right? So is it good to say 2 by 4 or 1 by 2? What is easier to understand? 2 by 4 or 1 by 2?
Both.
Both are okay. All right, you are right. So you can simplify the number by dividing up and down by the same number to keep it simple. So 2 by 4, when I divide by 2, 2 divided by 2 makes it 1 and 4 divided by 2 makes it 2. So that's the reason I have written 1 by 2. All right. Now, suppose I need to add 1 by 10. Put mute your lines. 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Who will tell me what should I do? Raise your hands and switch on your videos, everybody. Do not turn off your videos. Switch on your video. Arjita, tell me what should I do? Switch on your videos, everybody. What
Sir, we should only calculate the numerators. The denominators will be same. So, how much? So, answer will be 3 by 10.
Perfect. 3 by 10. 1 plus 2, so 3 upon 10. Can you reduce it further? Is it possible to divide 3 by 10 by the same number? Can you divide any number 3 and number 10 with the same number? Is it possible?
No.
You cannot divide. So you have to write it like that, 3 by 10 only. Is that correct? Everybody okay with this? I cannot simplify it further, hence my answer will be 3 by 10. All right. Now suppose I'm going to ask little difficult question. So you have to tell me what should I do. Suppose I write, let's say 4 upon 20 plus 6 upon 1. Who will tell me this? What should I do? It is, raise your hands or message me. I can see the message. All right, message me. I'm watching the message. I will not unmute. Just message me. Priyan says 10 by 20. Okay. Now, can you simplify? Vinamra, can you simplify it further? You are right, 10 by 20, right? So I write it like that. 20 is the denominator, which is same in both the numbers. So I will write 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 upon 20. Very good. Now, can I reduce this further? Is it possible to reduce 10 and 20 by any common division? Any common number which can divide both? Yes, can I divide 10 by 10 and 20 also by 10? Is it possible? Is it possible? Unmute. Is it possible? Just message it. I am watching your message. All right. I am watching your message. Tell me.
Yes.
It is okay. Very good. So I will divide 10 by 10, which makes it 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 20 also divided by 10 is makes it 2. So can I simplify it and write it like that, 1 by 2?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, mute your line. So we got everybody understand this? All right, very good. Now I'm changing it. All right, I will ask the different type of questions. What if I give you something different? All right, what if I give you something different, which is unlike fractions, right? Where the denominator is not same and we have to add or subtract, right? Let us see this number. Suppose I give you 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. Now, denominator is not same. Now I'm confused. All right. So when the denominator is not same, can I tell you one method? Simple method. Can I tell you one method? Are you okay? Okay. I know you have also learned one method. I will also see whether you like this method, you can use any method to add the number. All right, there is no need to worry about it. Okay, I will tell you one method which you can try and see. If you like it, you can use this method also. So here the denominator and numerators, this is denominator 2 and this is denominator 4. They both are not equal. Okay, so can I try to make both equal? Is it possible to make both equal? What should I do to make it equal? Dhanil, tell me, what should I do to make it equal? Is there any idea that you have? What should I do? Unmute yourself.
1 by 4.
Or how should I do 1 by 4? How do I make this 1 by 4? What should I do to make it 1 by 4?
Sir, 3 by 4.
Sorry?
3 by 4.
Okay, mute your lines. I will try to explain and then I'll ask the questions around it. Okay. Now suppose 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, the denominator is not same. So what I will do, I will try to multiply this and this. Okay. So in the table of 2, I will multiply both top and bottom number by 2. 1 multiply, okay, plus 1 by 4. Is that okay? Is it okay to multiply top number and bottom number with the same digit? Is it okay to multiply? Show me thumbs up if you are okay with this. Am I making any mistake? Show me thumbs up if it is okay to do this. Show me thumbs up. All right, very good. So when I multiply the top number and the bottom number with the same number, it is okay. You can do it. Now let us multiply this. 1 multiplied by 2 is how much? 2, right? And I'll change the color so that you don't get confused with this. There is no much space. I'll change the color. Okay. So now, now I will write it. 1 multiplied by 2 is how much? 2 divided by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, that makes it denominator is 4. Arshi, tell me what should I do now? Numerator.
The answer now.
3 by 4.
Yeah, you have to tell me the steps. 2 plus 1. You have to tell me the steps. So you have to write it like that in your notepad. So 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 4, right? So that's the answer.
I solved it in-
That's the answer. So in
I
this,
solved it in my notebook.
very good, very good. Now suppose in this method, what we did, we tried to make the common denominator. So we made it multiply 2 by 4, 2 by 2 to make it 4. And similarly at the top, we multiply by 2 so that the denominator becomes same and then you add the top. All right. Now everybody do this in your notepad. I'm going to give you the sum and use the same sum to do this and message me. All right. Message me once you're done. So do this. The sum is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon. I need to know the steps. All right, write the step. I don't need shortcut. All right, I need the steps. Write it in your notepad. Steps, how to do this. I'm interested to see the step. Don't give me the answer. The way I was writing it like that, you have to write 4 steps. So I will write step number 1. Now first I will check, is the denominator same? Is the denominator same here? Kirtat, tell me what should I do here?
Sir, we first we need to add the numerator 3 plus 1.
Tell me, is the denominator same here, 4 and 2?
No,
Then what should I do? What is the first step?
First step, we need to add the numerator.
Okay, and okay. Did you see my previous example? I will solve it here, all right? And you have to focus on this, all right? Let me explain this again. So here, the denominator is not same, so you cannot add the number directly, all right? So what we will do, we will multiply. Can we make 2, 4? Can you make it this in this place? Can we make it 4? Can we make this 4? How can we make this 4? How can we make this 4? Tell me.
Sir, we will add the one to that 1 to 2 and take out the 3 to the 2. It will be
All right, look at this now. All right. So in this example, the denominator is not same. All right. Everybody look at the screen. If you have not understood, I will explain it again. No problem. So step number 1, I will write in your notepad also, you should write it like that. I will write 3 by 4 as it is because the denominator of both is not same. So I cannot add. I have to make denominator same. So I will multiply this by 2 and this by 2. I will do multiply 1 by 2. 1, 2 multiply by 2. All right. So that's the first step. Now the second step is write 3 by 4 as it is. I'm not changing anything. 3 by 4 is same as it is. Plus sign is also same as it is. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Divided by 2 multiplied by 2 is how much? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now, is the denominator same in this example now? Is the denominator same in this example? Okay. Denominator is same now. Okay, Samriddhi, tell me, is the denominator same now?
yes, sir. The denominators are same because 3 by 4 same denominator is 4 and 2 by 4 denominator is 4
Okay, perfect.
also.
So, perfect. Now, suppose I have to add 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4 that you already know.
Will be 5 by 4.
Very good. 3 plus, you have to write the steps in your notepad. All right, like the way I'm writing it, always write the steps. I don't like if you don't write the steps. All right, always write more steps is okay, not the less steps. No shortcuts. All right, you have to write 3 plus, yes, 3 plus 2. You did not write 3 plus 2. Vrinda, you have to write 3 plus 2 upon 4, the way I have written it, and then write 5 by 4. I need the steps. I need more steps, not less steps. Okay, very good. Now, can I go to the next sum? Okay, very good. You guys are doing fantastic. And let me give you one more sum. So you get a star for whatever you have done so far. All right. Okay. All right. Shreya, you have a question. Did you understand the previous sum?
Yes, sir, but I'm not clear with this method.
Okay. All right. Don't worry. All right. We will solve it many times. So there are many methods that you can, whichever that you like, you can use it. I will show you one more example and then we will check this. Okay, now let us.
Sir, can I mute?
Yes. So I'm going a little slow, but that's okay. All right. Let us try to do this one. Okay. Now in this case, I will see if you can try to solve this one. Now suppose I give you the sum, which is, let's say, 1 upon 5. Okay. I'm writing 1 upon 5 plus 4 upon 10. Okay. Now, are the denominator same here? Yes or no, Priya? Are the denominator same?
So the denominators are not same.
Not same. Now, is it possible to make this 10? How can we make this 5 to 10? So the denominator of both the number is same. Think about it. How can I make 5 to 10? What should I do? Everybody switch on your videos. I need to see everybody.
Third, first we will write 1 by 5
Mhm.
and then plus 4 by 5.
Mhm. Okay. All right. Okay. You are okay. I will try to solve it and then I will ask the next question to you. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. So I will everybody look at the screen, right? In this example, I have purposely wanted to confuse you guys. All right, that's the reason I have given you this example. Okay, Neera, tell me what should I do?
Sir, we should first make a fraction strip of 5 and then of 10.
Mhm.
And then after that, we have to check that from 5 what is equal to 4 by 10. And then 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 10. So what can we do? We can make 4 by 10 plus 4 by 10 and it will be 8 by 10.
Okay. All right, let us try this. I will try this and then I will ask you guys. Okay. All right. So there are two things that we can look at this number here. Okay. So here 5 and 10 are not same. Okay. So one method that I can do is to see in the table of 5 when the 10 comes. All right. So in table of 5, 5 times 2, right? When you do multiply 5 times 2, you get 10, right? So if you multiply top number, which is 1, right? So I'm writing the first step, 1 multiplied by 2 and 5 also multiply by 2. Is it okay to multiply top number and bottom number with the same digit? Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, very good. Now in this example, what I did, I have top number I multiplied by 2 and bottom number also I multiplied by 2. So that makes it, now 1 multiplied by 2 is how much? It makes it 2 upon 10, correct? 2 upon 10, 4 upon 10. Okay, 2 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. Now the next step is you already know. Now the denominator is same. You can write 10. At the top you write 2 plus 4 makes it 6 upon 10. And you cannot divide this further. 6 upon 10. You can reduce it further by 2. That you divide both the number by 2. It will divide 6 by 2. You will make it 3. And 10 by 2, you will make it 5. So the answer could be, you can write 6 by 10 or 3 by 5. Anything is okay. Okay, if you simplify it, it's easier to read. So always try to simplify whenever you are able to do it. Okay. So is there a confusion on this? Is it okay? We will do it a few times. So don't worry if you are not able to understand. We will solve this in the classroom also. Okay. And there are more methods. So I'm showing you only one method. Okay, don't get confused even if you're not able to solve it right now. Is that okay? Show me thumbs up, everybody. Very good. Now, now let us solve this one more sum and then we will take another topic. Okay. So in this, what I will try to do to give you the sum. One more sum which is 2 by 5 by number 5 and number 1 by 3. 1, 2 by 5 and number 1 by 3. This is little difficult, but think about it. What should I do? All right. Think about it. What should I do now? I have purposely wanted to confuse you guys. Is it okay to confuse you in the game? I want you to get confused with this. I am purposely giving you this kind of stuff. I really want you to get confused. Okay. Now, what should I do? Is the denominator same here? Is denominator same here? Yeah, denominator is not same. Now, can I tell you one more method to make the denominator same? Where you are completely confused. You can do this method. Okay. Let us look at the screen first. Okay. So in this method, what we can do, we can take this in this 2 by 5 and 1 by 3, right? Both are not matching, right? So you can use this method also, wherein you can multiply number 3 at the both sides. All right. So you can take number 3 and multiply to the top here and top here. Okay, there is one method. In this method, you can take number 3 and multiply, and 5 you can multiply this side. Are you able to see the arrows? Are you able to see the arrows? So, show me thumbs up if you are able to see the screen. Okay, very good. Now, when 2 by 5 and 1 by 3 is not same, I can just multiply, cross multiply. All right. So in this method, what I did, 2 will be multiplied. Let me change the color. So 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. Upon 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. Plus 1 multiplied by 5 upon 3 multiplied by. Okay. Does it make sense? Now look at this. What is the output of this? Okay. 2 multiplied by 3 is how much? 2 multiplied. Vani, you will tell me what should I write now? 2 multiplied by 3 is how much?
It is equals to 6.
Perfect. Perfect. Below that, 5 multiplied by 3 is how much?
15.
5 multiplied by 3 makes it 1, 5, 15. Very good. Plus sign as it is. Now 1 multiplied by 5 is how much? 5. All right. And 3 multiplied by 5 is how much?
15 again.
15 again. Perfect. Now the denominator is same. Is the
Yes.
denominator same now? So can I write 15 here and top 6 plus 5? Is that okay?
Yes.
Which makes it 11 upon 15. That is your answer. Does it make sense? Okay. Now in this number, what trick that I told you? What trick? Can you tell me? Who will tell me what did we do? Pritesh, tell me what did we do in this? Tell me the trick. When the denominators are not matching, what did we do? Tell me.
We will make a cross. We will multiply by cross method.
We will use cross multiplication methods. Perfect. Now, everybody sit properly. Isti, what is this? Sit properly, everybody, and switch on camera videos. Do not sit back straight. Back straight. I want back straight, everybody. Sit properly. Do not move. Very good. Now, okay, now I will show you one more example using the cross multiplication. Let us do this one more cross multiplication. All right. If you don't understand, do not worry. All right. If you don't understand, do not worry. All right. But do it in your notepad. All right. Do it in your notepad. I'm writing it on the screen. You try to do it on your in your notepad. All right. Let me think what sum I should give you. All right. Suppose I give you little difficult ones. All right. And I want you to get confused. Okay. 4 upon 5 plus 2 upon 6. What should I do? How do I use the cross multiplication method? Just use the cross multiplication method. So take 6, multiply doing here. Okay. Take 6, multiply here. Okay. Similarly, do the reverse. Do the reverse also is important, right? Take 5, multiply here, and take 5, multiply here. Okay. And write the steps in your notepad. Okay, write the steps. Are you writing it? Arjita, write it quickly. I'm watching everybody. Write it quickly. Write it in a notepad. Write the steps, everybody. Okay. Now I will also write it. Okay, I will also write with you. So I will write 4 multiply by 6. Okay. On 5 multiply by 6 plus 2 multiply by 5. Is that you're writing? Why are you sitting? Quickly write. Write quickly. And 6 multiply by. Okay. Switch on your videos, guys. Some of you have switched off. Not right. Okay, this is the cross multiplication method. You have to simply multiply top and bottom. Simple. It is not a difficult. You have to just take one number, multiply both sides, take another number, multiply top and bottom, right? So in this case, we took 6, multiply by top and multiply here. Similarly, we took 5, multiply both up and down. Simple method. Now, you have to write the next step, which is 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 24 upon 30 plus 10 upon 30. Sorry. Okay. So now the denominator is same in both the numbers. If denominator is same in both the numbers, then I will write denominator as it is 30, that you already know. 30 at the top, you will write 24 plus 10 is equal to 34 upon 10. Is that okay? 34 upon 10. Is that, sorry, 34 upon 30. Is this your answer? Show me thumbs up if your answer is similar. Show me thumbs up. Very good, fantastic. Everybody show me thumbs up if your answer is matching. Show me thumbs up if your answer is matching. Perfect. All right. Okay. Now, very good, Brinda. Keep it down. Very good. All right. Now let's do this. All right. I'll send you the sum and then you can do it. Now let me ask you one more sum that you may understand it in a shorter time, or I will explain it in the class also. I will ask you one more different questions, not the similar. Okay. Not the similar, different questions. Now suppose the question is, which number is bigger? All right. Suppose I ask you which number is bigger, all right, and which number is smaller. Okay. So you have to think and then answer. All right. Suppose Vrinda ate one pizza out of 10, one piece out of the 10 pieces. Okay. Vrinda ate how much? One piece out of the 10 piece available. All right. And who else is there? All right. And suppose Mantra ate 2 pieces out of 10. Okay. Who ate more? Who will tell me who ate more? Who ate more? How would you know? How would you know who ate more? Raise your hands if you want to answer it. Who ate more? Raise hands if you want to answer. Who wants to answer? Raise your hands if you want to answer. Okay, Sanvi, tell me, what should I do? Who ate more?
2 by 10 is more.
2 by 10 is more because in this case the denominator is same, correct? Denominator is same, so you compare the top number. Okay, so in the top number 2 is bigger, so that means this person ate more pizza. All right, simple, very good. Now suppose I give you one more sum. Okay, and in this case somebody ate one pizza out of, he made three pieces in that pizza, he ate one piece, and another person made 8 pieces and he ate two pieces out of 8 pieces. Okay, so there were 2 pizza available. The first person ate 1 piece, so like it is like this. So sorry, so he cut 3 pieces like this and he ate this piece. Okay, the second person makes similar size pizza, but he ate, okay, and he ate this one. All right, this piece, 1 piece out of 8. Now who ate more? Right, who ate more? Who will tell me who ate more here? Rita, tell me who ate more in this? Who ate more? Right side, left side? The one who ate 2 out of 8
Left
is,
side.
huh?
Sir, left side.
This one, this is your left side.
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose, how do you compare this? You are seeing a picture and then telling me that 1 by 3 is more, right? 1 by 3 is at more. But I'll show you the trick also that you can apply to compare any two fractions. All right. The trick is you can multiply this number with this here and this number with this here. Only number top to bottom. All right. This is only a cross multiplication, not top and bottom multiplication, right? So here you can multiply 1 multiply by 8, okay, and 2 multiply by 3. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 8 is how much?
8.
8. So write the 8 here, and 2 multiplied by 3 is how much?
6.
6. So which number is bigger? 8 is bigger or 6 is bigger?
8.
8 is bigger. So this person ate more. And so you can write like this. So this person ate more pizza. 8 is greater than 6. So this is bigger. This ate more, right? Is that okay? All right. Now let me ask you one more question on this, and then we can end the session. Last question. Okay, now in this case, suppose the number is really big. Okay, you can't draw the picture. In this, suppose one person ate 1 piece out of 16. 1 piece out of 16, and another person ate 2 piece out of 8. Okay. Now who ate more? How do I know? How do I figure it out? Tell me. Who ate more in this case? The pizza is same, but how do I know who ate more? Tell me, what should I do?
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication. Perfect. What should I do? Tell me. Mute
Yeah.
your lines. I will ask somebody else. Please mute your lines. I will ask somebody else now. Who wants to tell me the answer now? How should I do? Neera, tell me, what should I do?
Sir, actually, I didn't understand the cross multiplication thing.
No problem. I will explain it right now. Okay. Don't worry. I will explain it. All right. In this method, this is a comparison of the fraction method. Okay. What is this? This is a comparison of two fractions. Okay. In this method, you have to only multiply. Like say, the question is which number is bigger? 1 by 16 is bigger or 2 by 18 is bigger? Okay. We don't know, right? So what we do, Pritesh, yeah, wait, I will ask you later. I will just explain this. In this number, I don't know which number is bigger, 1 by 16 is bigger or 2 by 18 is bigger, right? So the trick to do this is to multiply, do the simple cross multiplication one way. So from this one, you multiply to this, okay, to the bottom number, and this to this number, okay. We want to know which number is bigger. So we multiply the bottom to the top and this bottom to the other top, right? So 1 multiplied by 18 and 2 multiplied by 16, okay. Now, so 1 multiplied by 18 is how much? 1 multiplied by 18 is how much? 1 multiplied by 18 is how much?
18.
18. And 2 multiplied by 16 is how much? 2 multiplied by 16, double of 16. 32. Perfect. So now which number is bigger? 32 is bigger or 18 is bigger? 32 is bigger or 18 is bigger? Neera, which number is bigger, 32 or 18? Unmute yourself.
32.
32 is bigger. So can I write it like that? Can I?
Yes.
Yes. So this number is bigger. That means this side is bigger. That means 2 by 18 is bigger than 1 by 16. Right? So what we did in this method, tell me. Can you explain what I did?
Yes. So you did that if you wanted to do 1 by 16 and 2 by 18 to find out which is greater. Then first you did 2 multiplied by 16, which was 32, and then you did 1 multiplied by 18, which was 18 only.
Perfect. Good job. Now last, I will show you one more. If you have, anybody have not understood, I will show you and then we can log off. All right. So suppose I want to compare 5 by 6. Which number is bigger? 5 by 6 and 2 by 4. I don't know which number is bigger. Abhilesh, tell me what should I do now? I'm really confused how to find out which number is bigger or smaller. Tell me what should I do?
Do cross multiplication.
Okay, very good. Cross multiplication, very good. So I will multiply this by this, 5 by 4, and second number I will multiply 6 by 2. All right. So 5 by 4 is how much? 5 multiplied by 4. Very good. And 2 multiplied by 6. Right. So 5 multiplied by 4 is how much?
20.
20. And 2 multiplied by 6 is how much?
12.
12. Which number is bigger now?
20.
20 is bigger. So can I write it like that?
Yes.
So that means this 5 by 6 is bigger than 2 by 4. Then you can write it like that. Okay? So
Okay.
it is this bottom number from one side goes to the top number, right? It is like jumping high. Okay? Okay, it is like jumping high. When you compare jump high, remember that, right? From a smaller denominator, you go up and you go cross like that. Only one way. All right? Not both up and down. and then just simply compare the top number. Is that okay? Everybody understood? Good job. So whatever that you have understood, you have to write it on a paper today. We did like fractions. We added the like fraction where denominator and numerator is same. Sorry, denominator is same. Then you add the top and write the sum, right? Unlike you don't have a denominator matching, right? So you have to try to figure out how the denominator can be same and then add those numbers. And third, we did a comparison. Okay. So comparison. So this three sum that you can try to do it and at least write it whether you understood or not. If you have not understood that also you write it and show it to me. We will cover that in the class. Is that okay, everybody? All right. Good job, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you. You all got so many stars today, but I forgot to give you the stars on the screen. Okay. You got many stars today, like. Okay. Many stars that you got it today, but I forgot to give you on the screen. Okay? Is that okay, everybody? Oh, okay, good job. Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.